Okay, so are we going to go and find the cofactor of this matrix? Okay, and what you should know is what is a cofactor. A cofactor, you can use this formula I plus j. This is a formula that you can use for cofactor. Okay, and this is how we are able to find the location, and this is the same as having a1 a12 a21 22. So if you have to find the cofactor at a1, it's gonna be -1 1 plus 1. It's just a matter of finding the sign that's going to. So if I try this one, it should be 1 plus 2, which give me -1 to the power of 3, which give me -1. So in short, I'll get positive, negative, negative, positive. So that's what I'm gonna get here. So if I have to write this cofactor, it's gonna be positive times 6, which is gonna be positive 6, negative times 5, negative times -2 is gonna give me positive 2, positive times 3 is gonna give me 3. Okay, so this is the cofactor. Now we need to find the transpose of this cofactor. Okay, and in order to get the transpose of this matrix, it will be, we get something like this. So we need to change the row into column. So that's what we do when we see transpose. So we're going to move this one, so it's gonna be something like this: 6 2, and then this one is going to be -5 and 3. That's what we're going to get as our transpose. Okay, so now what we get here, they already found the transpose, and we got the transpose by doing the cofactor of the Myra, and then do the transpose. So this is our transpose that you see here. So we're going to replace it into the formula that we got. So since we already found the transpose, so what we get, we have something like this. So this is after transpose times the unknown, and then 1 over, and then how much it was our delta, it was 28, and then we're going to have a of the inverse of that. So now it's 32 negative 12. So that's what we have. Okay, so with this we can work it out. Okay, so now what we see here, and what I always like to do is to move this one inside, so which is gonna be 6 over 28, -5 over 28, 2 over 28, and then 3 over 28. Okay, and then times 32 negative 12. And then what I like doing is I'm going to simplify those two. So I have something like this: 3 to the power of 14, -5 over 28, 1 over 14, 3 over 28. And at this stage, what we do is a multiplication of a matrix with another. So it's gonna be this one times this one here. Okay, so it's gonna be 3 over 14 times 32 plus 1 over 14 times negative 12. Okay, and then plus this 2, so it's gonna be negative 5 over 28 times 32 plus 3 over 28 plus times negative 12. Okay, and since it's not gonna be plus, it's gonna be over. Okay, so we'll get something like this. So it's gonna be something like this one over that one. So this is what we're going to get here as one matrix. So let me just remove this block here. And the answer to this will be 6, negative 7. So this is the answer that we're going to get. Okay, now for you to check and find out if this is correct, what you're going to do is we're going to check this equality. And what is I? I equal to what we had the unknown, which is 32 and negative 12. Negative 12. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to have just to help you out if you have to check this equality. So what you're going to have, you're going to have this one that we started with. So it's gonna be that one times the answer we got, which is 6, negative 7. If you times these two, you will get 32, negative 12. Okay, this is like an exercise that I will give you to do. So this is what you need to do afterward when you're done, just to verify if you get this if this side will be equal to this one. Okay, so this is how you go about inverse of the matrix.